In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of 2 rooms at the Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres. So this is the Elegance Club Plunge Pool Oceanfront Suite, and they also have ones that are not oceanfront, but this was our room and one of the best rooms I've ever had in any resort. The bathroom has everything that you would need. It does have just a soaking tub, however. It does not have a jacuzzi tub inside or outside in this room. So if that's important to you, get a different room, which I'm going to show you later. It does have a separate tub and shower area, double sinks. It does have plenty of closet space. I know a lot of people ask me to show the closet space, so here it is. It does not have a lot of drawers. It did have a few drawers in the closet and a few drawers in the nightstand, but not a ton of drawers if that's important to you. Instead of an iron, it had a steamer, which I prefer, but really enough closet space that you would need. This is the room service cubby, so you can get contactless delivery, which I thought was pretty neat. You can also put all of your dirty dishes in there when you're done, so they don't have to hang around the room or outside and attract animals. The bedroom area was very spacious. They had a great king-size bed. One issue is the lack of privacy. So if you're traveling with friends, let's say, there's no separation between the bathroom and the bedroom area. So if you wanted to change in private, you'd have to go into the toilet area. This is a newer resort. I think it's just over a year old, so a lot of updated technology, ton of plugs. Everything is controlled on that little electronic pad. So the air conditioning, the fan, things like that. They also have a speaker in the room if you like the Bluetooth speaker, and they give you robes to use as well. You could control a lot on the TV as well, so you could order room service. It had a lot of information about the resort and the events. Someone asked me if you could pull the TV out and point it towards the bed. That I'm not sure of. But it was an updated TV and had a lot of options on it and a lot of channels. They did have a little sanitation pack, as you can see there too, upon arrival. So with the club level, you do get a butler, and the club level at the Majestic is just the adults only. I get a lot of questions about how to upgrade to the club level. If you're traveling adults only at the Majestic, you're automatically in the club level. So the butler will ask you what kind of alcohol you want in the room. Of course, I picked tequila. I wanted Patron, but he said they couldn't bring that. I'm wondering if I pushed a little harder if they would have. The mini fridge is stocked daily, and they have beers and water and soda. But again, if you reach out to your butler, really I considered a concierge at this resort. It wasn't so much a butler. He will bring you anything that you might need. Now for that ocean front view. Wow, this was really stunning. One of the best views I've had. And so in this portion, you do have a little seating area. So it's not a large area, but when we get upstairs, I'll show you have a much larger area if you wanted to sit outside. But you can see almost the entire resort. You can see as far as La Isla Mujeres. You can't really see it here, but it was really a stunning view. And since we had that corner room, you can actually see the entire resort, almost the entire resort. So you could see the swim-up suites and the pools and the layout as well. Okay, so now it's time to go upstairs and show you the plunge pool portion, which I'm really excited about. Downstairs, though, they did also have this seating area, so if you like to read or look out the window and enjoy the view, this was a great area to do that. Okay, so here's the wow factor. Here is the upstairs. You have that really nice large seating area. You have 2 seating areas really. You have this one, so if you wanted to gather, some friends, you could. And then you have this one to relax. But here is the Plunge Pool Suite overlooking the ocean. Really was spectacular. The water was a little chilly in the plunge pool. Some people asked me that, but it's hot up there because the sun is beating down. So it felt really good to relax in the pool, and we did use it. So the resort was great and allowed us to tour another room that we were not staying in because we told them we had this channel and wanted to be able to show you another room. And so this is the club level junior suite. And the bathroom area is exactly like the other bathroom that we had. So has everything that the other room has, including the closets and the closet space. And over in the bedroom area, that was exactly pretty much the same as well in the other room. So again, they did not have a partition between the bathroom and the bedroom area. They had a smaller seating area. They did have this little bar area that if you wanted to, have some drinks, you could do that or have some friends over. The difference was really out here. So this is where you have the jetted tub. So I know some people love that with the, to be able to be out on the balcony and fill that tub up and have a spa experience. And also the seating area was a little bit bigger. And this particular room overlooked the pool area. So it's really important before you go to any resort, to really think about the placement of your room if that's important. Here, again, it's overlooking the resort and the pool, so there might be more noise. So it's something to consider when you're going to resort to make sure that your room is where you want it. And so again, the only difference between this room and our room was that second story plunge pool. And of course, the ocean front view was really, really amazing. But this room did have that jacuzzi tub. So if that's important to you, then this is maybe the room for you. Be sure to watch our full review of the Majestic Elegance in Costa Mujeres. And if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe and follow us on 3 Days and Tres Noches, while we'll take you on fun, exciting, and affordable adventures and vacations that you can have in a really short amount of time.